All right, welcome back to Sun Crypto, guys. It is April 17th, 2021. Market is dipping. We're gonna take a look at the entire market, and we're gonna take a look at basically BTC, Ethereum, Litecoin, DOT, EGLD, you name it, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, Dogecoin, and all that good stuff. And we're basically gonna try to figure out what market is going to do going into next week. Okay, everything is dipping right now. Okay, it is it like a end of the bull market? Are we gonna be dipping all the way down to 30k and all that good stuff, guys? We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the market as a whole, right? So it is going to be a quick live stream. I'm going to take a look at some of these top coins, and then I'm going to take a look at some of the super chats and Q&As, and we call it a day, right? So now let's take a look at a BTC first, right? So we're going to take a look at BTC on a higher time frame, right? So we're going to start off with the 8 hour. We're not going to talk about the hourly and all that good stuff, right? The 8 hour, so we almost at the 8 hour 100 EMA right there, right? So we're gonna have to wait and see if bull's gonna be buying the dip right at 58. Okay, that's the 8 hour 100 EMA. And if you notice, well, we got the 382 right here also, just about like a 55.5. So if we break the 8 hour 100 EMA, we could dip lower, right? But I like the wedge pattern we got right here, right? So let's see if bull's gonna give up the range right here, right? So it is a strong potential support, you know, going into the next 8 hour candle, right? And we already got the bearish crossover right here. We talked about the 6 hour bearish crossover, and we said you know, we needed to be cautious because the 6 hour needed to basically close above it and stay above the 21 EMA for us to continue the uptrend, right? Now let's take a look at it on the 2-day basis, right? So if you take a look at it on the 2-day basis, one of the reasons why I kept saying like we needed to be cautious is like we haven't seen a bullish crossover yet, right? Even though everything was looking bullish. So the move right here, it is not a good move, okay? It is not a good move at all, right? So that's why I was saying yesterday during my update, I was saying we needed to be cautious because we're not getting a bullish crossover on our MACD. Even though price action is above the 21 EMA, everything is looking great. We're only going to get a confirmation once we cross bullish right here. So the good news, okay, right now is like the 21 EMA right now, it is just about like a 57, and we talk about the 8 hour 21 8 hour 100 EMA just about like 58. So the range of 57 to 58 could potentially be where we're going to be bouncing off at. You see what I'm saying? So another good news is like the volume right here is getting lower, even though we're dipping, and we're not getting a bearish a bullish crossover, right? But a bearish continuation. The volume is still low. Okay, it is still low, and we're still above the 21 EMA on a 2-day basis. Okay, remember one thing right here, we did not close below the 21 EMA. Okay, right there we did not even retest the 21 EMA. Okay, right here. So what we did right here, we bought the dip, again right there, and we bought the dip again right here. Okay, bought the dip right there, bought the dip right here. So we have to suck it up again right here. It is still a hold as long as we above the 21 EMA. Okay, it is still a hold. Hey, what's up, Bihu? What's up, Rave 8589? Thanks a lot for tuning in. When should I sell after the rebound? Okay, let's wait and see if we're gonna get a rebound first, right? Before we talk about where should you sell at, right? So now let's take a look at Bitcoin on a weekly basis. So weekly not looking so bad, okay? Weekly 21, just about like 43. Like I said, I did not expect like BTC to retest like the weekly 21 this week, even though we pretty you know, we dropping lower, we're not anywhere around like a 43 unless we get a very bad news. Okay, the only bad news regarding the weekly is like the last 2 weeks volume was kind of low, right? So that's only bad news. Okay, but nothing else regarding the weekly time frame, right? So looks pretty pretty clean right here. A beautiful trend line right there, your wedge pattern right there. Okay, pretty clean on the weekly. MACD is still not crossing bearish, so nothing to worry about on a weekly basis, right? So let's take a look at the 7 days chart right now. So the 7 days candle, right? The 7 days time frame, we're about to get a tweezer. Okay, the good news is that we already engulfingly you know, down right here, retesting last week candle, you know, last week lows right there, just by like a 57 to 58. So even though it is a bearish setup, most of the time it is a good good level to start buying, because you basically bulls lost all the momentum right here. Okay, so it means that they're gonna need to regain momentum below the previous candle low, and we played it multiple times, right? We did it right here, right? Especially on the weekly right there. Okay, the weekly one right here, after we close, what we did, we bought the dip at 43. Okay, and we rebound back. If you notice well, on a 7 days basis, we could get a similar structure right there. Okay, where we not even gonna break like 58, right? Could break it but not close below it, because that's a 7 day cycle, right? So cycle open on the 16th, right? Plus 7, you're looking at like 23rd. Okay, so we got like 6 more days, right? Nearly to close the candle right here. Okay, it is just about like the 17th, right? Yeah, 23rd. Okay, so we got like 5 more days. Okay, 5 more days to close the candle right there. Okay, so everything looks pretty normal, right? I don't see anything crazy. We got similar structure right here. Back then, what we did, we bought the dip. Okay, bounce right back up. Right there, we dump. Okay, 90% of the previous body candle, we bought the dip, bounce right back up. Okay, engulfingly, we bought the dip again, right? So I don't see anything crazy, right? Nothing has changed. Market, it is still bullish. So now let's take a look at the 3 weeks time frame, right? So the good stuff. So the 3 weeks time frame, what we said was like, if you notice well, over the last 3 weeks time frame, right? Over the last few weeks on the 3 week cycle, you can see like we never dropped more than 7%, right? After candle open, right there, we dropped like just about 6.5. Right, that's the most we dropped on the 3 weeks cycle. Okay, this one we dropped just about like 6%, right? Right there, just about like 5%, right? So right there was kind of aggressive. All right, we did drop a lot. Okay, let's see, just about 10%. Okay, so if we're gonna be expecting some sort of dump on this current 3 week cycle open on the 16th, right? So we got to like almost May 6th, May 7th, right, to basically close the cycle. So, and we already down 8%, nearly 9%. Okay, so 10% will take us right at the 2-day 21 EMA. Remember, we talked about the 2-day 21 EMA. It is at 57, right there. Okay, So that could give us all we need to do, right? Let the price drop 10% for the 3-week cycle, and if we find we find support right here, we might not be dropping, okay, over the next 3 weeks afterward, okay. But it is not guaranteed. We just have to wait and see if you're going to be able to find support at the weekly 21 with a nice confluence on our 3-week cycle, right? And we could be going to the moon, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at the year 2016 was kind of bad, right? We used to see like a big dumps, right, on a 3 weeks basis, right? But we keep getting beautiful rebounds, okay, beautiful rebounds. 57, we're breaking it. Let's take a look at the hourly. Could this be like the end of the bull market, guys? I don't know. I don't think that's going to be the end of the bull market. Okay, so we're dipping, guys. So next line of defense, guys, we already breaking 57. 55.5 is going to be right here. Okay, so we're losing momentum right now. Breaking the 8-hour 100. That's not good. That is not good at all. That's not good at all. That's not good, guys. That's not good. That's not good. 55. Right there. Bounce right back up. Let's see. That's 8-hour. 12-hour 100 EMA. Breaking it. Check the 8-hour right there. That's not good, guys. That's not good at all. Okay, let's see. right there. So we broke the wedge pattern. So now we're gonna have to go with our Fibonacci, right? Okay, 382, we just bounced off of it. So we just bounced off for the 382. It's crazy, 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 crazy. Let's see. It's dumping fast. 55K. So guys, we at 382. Even though it is dumping, we just have to be very it is not really time to be panicking, right? It is at 382. Okay, it is still a wedge pattern. Support right there. So we got 8 hours, guys, now to basically try to hold the line, right, till the basically next 8-hour candle open, right? Going to open like in 4 hours. So most likely bull is going to be holding the line right here potentially, right? So can I talk a little louder? I think I'm loud enough, man. So so guys, make sure to hit the likes, right? If you even if you're panicking, make sure to hit the likes. Let's see. So the BTC down, that's what's breaking out right now. That's what's hurting us, okay? But the BTC down just hit the 8-hour 100 EMA right there, and we got the next resistance up to basically 6.5 cents almost, right there. Okay. So 56. So now let's check the hourly. Oh gosh, that's not good, guys. The volume is a lot. Okay, it is a lot of volume, guys. That's not good at all, guys. It means that we got a lot of work to do. Got a lot of work to do, guys. A lot of work to do. Let's go ahead and check Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum, let's go back to Ether, because Ether, we had a nice setup for Ether. Yeah, so Ether, that's what I was afraid, right? We're gonna bounce, gonna hit the 23.50 and bounce and drop right back down here to basically get support again. So it seems like Ether could potentially find support at the mid-range. So if you watch my previous update, one of my previous update, right, what we said, we had a target up to 23.50 to 25.50, but we could get rejected and retest the mid-range right there. So the dump could be over for Ether, right? If we hold right there. Okay, it could be over. So it could be over, right? So if you notice well, we got the same type of correction right there and right there. So we just dropping right back down to retest it. If we lose it, we could be going all the way up, all the way down here. Okay, so we just have to be very cautious also, right? So hold on one second, guys. My liquidation is at 53. Okay, your liquidation is at 53, did not get liquidated. Let's go back to BTC. Yeah, guys, I think we're in trouble. Temporary trouble, guys. Temporary trouble. But nothing has changed, guys. If we check the higher time frame, once again, we just have to always check the higher time frame, right? We are still above the 3-day 21, and we haven't retested the 3-day 21, guys, since when? Since like October 6th. Okay, that's when I basically turned bullish right there after we pump above it. And if you notice, well, MACD already crossed bearish right here, but price action still above the 21 EMA right there. Okay, so we still got a support from the, we got a second support from the 3-day 21, okay, and 2-day 21 right there. So let's see, okay, let's see, because bull market really started at 10K range, and if we're gonna basically break market structure, which I do not think we will, right? But however, let's say we just, for whatever reason, right, we break market structure and we have to look for some potential supports to the downside. I don't think we're gonna retest like 30K. I don't, it is not even, it is not even something like we should consider right now, 30K. But we just have to basically keep an eye on like right there, just about 46 to 47, right? But let's see, we're still above the 21 EMA, so it is hard to say like if we're gonna break it. Okay. And we got like 20 hours to close the candle, so guys, hit the likes if you basically not panicking. Make sure to hit the likes, right? If you're panicking, let me know in the comment section. So hit the likes if you're panicking, okay? So I know if you guys panicking, so I know exactly what to look for, right? So if you're not panicking, right, make sure to hit the likes also and subscribe, right? This is not looking good, guys. It is not looking good. Yeah, bought more Litecoin at 255. That's great. Litecoin, we're going 500 anyway, so that's a good steal. Not panicking, but uncomfortable. I mean, yeah. I mean, I'm not approving. I mean, yes, guys, we breaking market structure, guys. We breaking market structure. We breaking below 55. That's not good at all. Ooh, 52. So bull market is over, guys. Seems like bull market is over. So guys, bull market is not over, okay? Price action is just basically a breaking market structure. It is definitely going to be rebounding, right? We gotta find a support, guys. We gotta find support. Check the 4 hour. Big volume on the 4 hour. All right. Let's see. Litecoin did bounce off the 6 hour 100 EMA. Let's take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin bounced off the 6 hour to 8 hour 100 EMA right there. So that's Satoshi calling. So it seems like the dump is over. Satoshi is calling. like something. Seems like Binance is not working. Let's see. Check ICX. Hey, what's up, Mac? Jason say lost nearly 1K. I mean, that's what happened when market dumps, right? So if you're just holding, I mean, market gonna bounce right back up. Link is down to $30. It's crazy. 28. Hey guys, if anyone basically sending you a message, right, pretending to be send crypto, make sure do not send anyone anything. If anyone asking you anything regarding sending me some BTC, Ethereum, XRP, please do not send anyone anything. I'm not asking anyone to send me anything. Okay, all right. So curring, make sure to be cautious, right? Hey, what's up, Jonathan? Thanks a lot for John. Thanks a lot, John. It's good being rich for the for a short period of time. I mean, guys, this type of stuff gonna happen. Okay, market been going up for ever since like mid-December, right? This 20 to 30% dump. If that's crypto. You just have to basically be patient, right? So if you're holding spot, all these assets gonna be bouncing back up within the next few days. It is just like the second week of April, so we got a long way to go. If you go back to BTC, right, and you compare it to the 2017 bull market, we've seen this type of dumps. Okay, let's see. Okay, if you go back back in 2017, you can see that we've seen this type of dumps. Okay, it is not something unusual, right? 20% dump from BTC, right there, just by like a mid-June 2020, January 2017, right? You can see that we dumped like 33%. February, March, we dump also another 30%, right? So we're not gonna get to like 100K, 150K without basically these massive pullbacks, right? But we up like 10x, 6x, 20x. Some of us like 100x, right? If you've been holding since like last year, so a 20% drop, I don't think it is nothing at all, right? It is nothing at all. So guys, if you're new to Sun Crypto content, do not forget to hit the likes, subscribe to the channel, and join our public Telegram group. Link in the description, right? So let me see what you guys want to talk about. When should we buy? I mean, the best time to be buying is like always when BTC dumps like more than 10%. It is always good time to be start to accumulate all the way down. Okay, we right now at the 3-day 21. We haven't broke, like not even broke, but retested, okay, the 21 EMA on a 3-day basis since like October. So we're still pretty good. Okay, that's the first time we're retesting the 21 EMA on a 3-day basis. Okay, previously we just been bouncing off the 2-day 21 EMA right here. Okay, right there, right there. Now we just breaking it, but we still got a support right here. So let's see over the next like a few days, you know, if we're gonna get this move right there. Okay, it could still do this before pumping to the upside, but we might not stay in this range too long. Okay. So let's check Ethereum. Ethereum still above 2,000. Okay, Ethereum still above 2,000. And if you notice, well, on Ethereum we did get this drop right here. Okay, nearly basically 35% drop. Right now we just dropped like 23%. So Ethereum is holding very, very strong. Okay. Go into BTC to USD. I mean, it all depends. If you're trading like short term, you might panic and basically try to get into like a USDC or USDT, whatever, right? Once we break above, like, you know, let's say for BTC we breaks above 70K, you might be chasing the price, right? And you're gonna have to buy it like nearly 30%, 50% higher, right? So, you know, once we break this range, we're gonna be going very, very fast. Okay, very fast, right? So I think like the best scenario right now is like to just huddle and do not worry about, like, I mean, of course not financial advice, right? Do not worry about like the small drop right here. Okay, if we take a look at the BTC dominance, right, as we said, BTC, we just bounced off the point, I mean, just about 50% pullback right there. So BTC could be bouncing back up, right, very soon. Okay, the BTC dominance, but we do not have any sort of like a bullish divergence for a reversal as of now. Okay, so alt could be rebounding with BTC. So something to just keep in mind. I'm drinking the Bitcoin bull bears, bull tears. Great, enjoy. XRP is dumping. Let's go ahead and take a look at XRP. XRP BTC right now we dropped nearly. So XRP BTC is still holding very, very strong. If you basically paid clear attention what we said buy right here, just by like a 500 sats to 1,000 sats. So even if you still holding your XRP, you're still up. Okay, you're still up like nearly basically 150% versus BTC. So XRP, even if we drop lower, we could retest the 100 EMA and basically 21 EMA right there, which is like 1,500 sats all the way up to basically 1,800 sats if we keep on dropping. But the target, it is still the same all the way up to 4,000. So XRP holding very, very strong. Okay. Okay, guys, thanks a lot for letting me know. Okay, somebody is pretending to be Sun Crypto, so no, guys, no, please, no. If somebody sends you a message, you guys supposed to know. Most of you guys, we do have a chat history, so somebody out of nowhere sending you a message, you should not be even responding. Okay. let's see. Okay. Let me see. Bull market over in crypto? No, bull market is not over, guys. We still got a long way to go, guys. We still got 5, 6, 9 more months to go. I think, like, in my own opinion, the bull market, it is still in play. Looking at the macro scale, we just bounced back up from the 3-day 21 right here, right? Let's take a look at the 3 weeks time frame. The 3 weeks time frame, we already retested last 3 weeks lows right here. That's a big drop right there, man, all the way down to 50K. So, and it could be it going into the the second half of April. Okay, it could be it. You can see, like, the volume on a 3 weeks time frame, it's been dropping like forever. Okay, it's been dropping forever. We're gonna be bouncing back up, right? But we just have to wait and see. Okay, just have to wait and see. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, we bouncing back up to a mid 55. So on a 3 weeks basis, we already retested a 51. Bounce right back up. Bouncing right back up. Okay, bouncing right back up. Let's check the chat room. Somebody said, I bought $300 worth of Bitcoin at 60K. It is gonna bounce back up, man. So best thing to do is just hodl, okay? Hey, what's up, Charles? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Yeah, I think it is intentional to make people panic, guys. Uh, let's check it. So 8 hour not looking good. So hour not looking good at all. We're bouncing right back up, guys. Bouncing right back up. Bouncing right back up. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. On the hourly, we're still pretty red, even though we're bouncing back up. Binance got hacked. Is that a good news or bad news? So guys, let's confirm it. Did Binance get hacked? Nothing got hacked. Yeah, we're bouncing back up. Bouncing back up on the 45 minutes. Guys, give me 1 second. All right, guys, was just talking to Sats. That's the first bounce, so we're still gonna basically need to consolidate. Even if we bounce back up, it is likely to get a rejection once we get to the 21 EMA right here. So we're gonna basically work hard, guys, to get back above like 60K and so on. So that's the range of consolidation over the next like a few days potentially. Let the moving average cool off, give us a divergence and all that good stuff. So we got a lot of work to do now. A lot of work to do, guys. A lot of work to do. Let's see right here. On the hourly, it's not showing at all like we're reversing, but on the 45 minutes, we got a nice bounce back up. So guys, let's go ahead and take a look at some of these alt. Let me see which alt you guys want to talk about. Hey, what's up? Okay. Yeah, it's gonna bounce back up, man. I don't know why people are panicking. Okay, Binance did not get hacked. It is just a normal dump. So guys, hit the likes and subscribe if you're new to our content, right? And join our public Telegram group, link in the description, right? So I'm gonna take a look at some of these alt and try to answer some of your questions, right? Because market is dipping pretty hard for this alt. So hit the likes, guys, hit the likes, and basically subscribe, right, to the channel. VChain is going. Let's go ahead and take a look at VET BTC. VET BTC, it is still holding very strong. Even if BTC drops, right, VET be holding very strong. It is just correcting right now. So bounce up the 100 EMA right here. So VET, it is still a good hold over the next like a few trading session. We got a three-way move, so we could get another move to retest the top right here up to basically 400 sats, 450 right there. Yeah, alt gonna bounce back up nicely, guys. So guys, make sure to hit the likes and subscribe to the channel if you're new to our content. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get our updates. Hey, what's up, Camel? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Everything recovering, right? So let's see that. I mean, it is a good news if you really think about it, guys. It is a good news because most of these alt been going up forever, so it was hard to find like another 100x baggers, right? But right now with the 25% discount, right, it is time to find like the next like a 10x 20x move. Okay, So that's what you need to think about, because most of these auto like ADA was almost like $2. Okay, if you look into 10x ADA, you have to buy it at nearly $1.50 to try to sell it at $15. But if you can catch ADA at $1, you can 10x it up to $10. So sometimes these dumps, right, they're good for the market. Okay, they're good for the market, right? Like, hey, what's up, XO? Thanks a lot for the tip. Yes, you haven't lost. You're not gonna lose anything until you sell, especially in a bull market. Best thing to do is just like huddle, right, and wait. As you can see right here, link just dump right back down to a reaccumulation. Right there, I was expecting like $50, but we did not retest $50. Dump right back down just to retest the buy zone right here. As you can see, we got similar structure back in like a January. Dump right back down to like a $17 and bounce right back up all the way up to $37. Okay. Yeah, gas price is pretty high. Band, let's take a look at band. So band is back down to the support level right here. We tested the 100 EMA, so good level to be reaccumulating right here. So band could be bouncing back up very quickly, especially after the bounce back up from the 100 EMA right there. So just need to break above like a $20, and we could be looking for 38, and then eventually basically $70, $80, right? But it is not going to be a short-term trade. It could take a while to get there, right? Yeah, that's it is a doom Saturday. Yeah, it is definitely normal. So I don't know why people are panicking. Let's take a look at XDZ. Yeah, Tezos, it is still holding very strong. It shows you like it is just a fake out, right? So Tezos still holding very strong below the 100 EMA on a two-day basis, right? So it means like we still got a long way to go, guys, for Tezos. Okay, it could be breaking out, over the next like a few days and so on, once we break above the 100 EMA. The good news, right, we did not break above the 100 EMA. If that was the case, we could be dropping right now hard, okay, down to the 6,000, 7,000 area, right? But as of now, we did not even like break the 100 EMA yet, so it's still consolidating, right? Bull market is not over. Come on. Not time to be panicking, man. Bull market is not over yet, guys. We're still in a bull market, so it's not time to be panicking. Okay. You cannot say like bull market is over after a 10% drop. That's not how you basically determine a bull market, right? So let's go back. So market is bouncing back up. Right, guys, thanks a lot for waiting, guys. That red candle, that BTC red candle blew the fuse on my computer, man. that sucker, you know, got my computer. I had to restart it. I had to restart my basically computer, right? So that candle was too big, man. My computer couldn't handle that dump, man. So gosh, that was a big dump, man. Quick too, right? Yes, so Sergio is saying like most alt are gonna be pumping right back up. So let's go ahead and take a look at VeChain, because I think we were talking about VeChain and a potential rebound from VeChain. VeChain, it is still a good hold. I wouldn't be even messing with VeChain right now. Like, I don't even touch my VeChain, guys. I mean, and Tezos. Actually, we were talking about Tezos, right? I wouldn't even mess with Tezos. Guys, we talked about this coin before. I don't know if you guys remember SHA, right, on KuCoin. Beautiful setup. We talked about it when sucker was like I think like let's see right here before we go back to Tezos, right? We talked about it when it was like 2 sats, something like that, right? 2 sats. So right now it is like just about like 22, but we talked about it when sucker was right here. So it is doing pretty good. Beautiful setup right here. It is likely to break out just like CHR and COTI. So keep an eye on SHA BTC. As I said, we talked about it, guys, a few weeks ago. So I don't want this guy to pump 100x, and most people are gonna be basically FOMOing on it, right? Not financial advice, right? Any reason for the dip? I mean, we will say I don't see any reason for the dip right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at Tezos, guys. So Tezos, as we said, we're still looking pretty good, still above the 2-day 21 EMA, so pretty good. Okay, pretty good, right? We're looking pretty good on Tezos. Tezos USD, nothing crazy, right? Price dipped down to the 2-day 21. It is likely to bounce right back up. Okay, so we could anticipate potential you know, sideways correction over the next like a few days, right? So it is still above $6. right? So let's go back to BTC. Yeah, but buy the dip, guys. But you gotta be able to buy the dip in order to be successful in this market. We cannot always buy the top. That's why I keep saying, guys, we gotta buy the dip while while price action is moving sideways. We cannot be like try to buy green and sell red. Everything looking pretty good. Algo looking pretty juicy. Atom, it is still above 21, even though we dip right back down to 17. It is still above like $20. Go back to BTC. So we right back up at 56.5. Okay, right back up, guys. We bounced almost like 10% right there. 10% bounce, guys. That's pretty juicy. Yeah, we bounced it back up, man. Right there. On the high time frame, we're looking pretty good. As I said, guys, that's the first time, guys, we're retesting last 3 weeks lows, right? Since like when? Since September. Okay, since September. That's the first time we're retesting like the previous 3 weeks lows. And you notice, well, guys, the volume, it is still low. It means like bulls already got what they needed. Bears actually already got what they needed, right? Low volume. It means that if we're going to be reversing, we're going to be reversing with big volume, okay? With a big volume to break above like a 64K, right? So yeah, let's go back to XRP. So XRP, nothing crazy on a macro scale. So everything looks pretty good. We just retested like nearly 30% of the body candle, right there, just about like $16, $14. So XRP is still looking pretty good. The BTC down almost hit the 6 cents, right? Hit like 618 actually, right? It's kind of funny, but we hit 618 right there. 6 cents, right? Right there, 618. So we could expect like some consolidation in this range, right? Before a potential reversal down here for the BTC down. Yeah, Jonathan is saying like I want to basically increase my BTC, but most likely Dogecoin gonna get the job done. I do not watch the news, so I don't know what the news is saying really. So yeah, that's not good at all right here. We needed a confirmation to flip bullish on a 2-day basis. I'm just reading, guys, what you guys talking about in the chat room. Let's go back to VeChain. Yeah, I mean, it is part of the game. I mean, dumps are part of the market structure. Some people, you know, definitely got liquidated, but it is not, you know, if you do not put a stop loss, definitely you got liquidated. But it is not the, it is not under the bull market. So, you know, if you do not use your entire account to basically take a long position, you should be okay, right? You should be okay. That's why I always say no. That's why that's why I always say do not use your entire account to basically you know take a position just in case, right? As you can see, Litecoin is bouncing right back up right here. Okay, so let's take a look at the link. It is dropping. Now it is still it is still at support right here, so it is not dropping. Okay, it is at support right there. So volume is decreasing. Even though we dumped volume, it is still decreasing. Okay, it is still decreasing. No, we're not doomed, Belfort. We're still going to the moon, man. We're still going to the moon, guys. We're still going to the moon. So if you notice, well, either we talk about the move right here, but we just have to be cautious. I did not have any short-term target above like a 25.50, you know, just because we needed to wait for confirmation. Okay, price action back to the year 21. MACD, it is still positive, so it is still bullish. Okay, still bullish. What's my opinion on ANKR? ANKR, it is still bullish, especially versus BTC. We could be moving sideways over the next like few days versus BTC, right? As you can see right here, we just got a three-way move pullback. So we just have to wait to see if we're going to be finding a support right there, just about 240 right to 250 area. Okay, if we get a continuation right here, we can still get this move. So it could be in this range for the next like a few days. All right, MACD is still bearish on the daily, so it is still consolidating versus BTC. Right here, you take a look at ANKR USD, it is still very, very bullish. Even though we got this dump, MACD, bearish, price action above the 21, still have to break the 21 EMA to start being bearish. Okay, right, so it means like BTC is very bullish, right? If ANKR BTC is bearish but ANKR USD is bullish, it means like BTC is very bullish, right? That's the best way to read it. Oh, hey, what's up, Bob? You say you are panicking in your other chat room. I mean, you just gotta be cautious, man. We cannot be panicking like on these drops. We're gonna get multiple drops like this, right, throughout the bull market. Every 3 to 5 weeks, guys, we're gonna get one of these. So you just have to be mentally ready, right, for these type of dumps, right? Every 3 to 5 weeks maximum, we at least gonna get a 15, 20, 30% dump on this alt, right? But they're gonna bounce right back up. If you notice well, back in February, right, actually first week of January, right here, okay, that's what happened, right? What I said, guys, we're gonna be reversing. Okay, we got another dump right here, right, mid-February, late February, right there. What we said, we're gonna pump. Okay, March we dump, I said we're gonna pump, right? What we're doing, we're just repeating the same cycle, right? That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see like we still keeping up with the momentum. So if you just been holding like since 30K, you're still up nearly 100%, right? You're still up 100%. But if you want to basically be selling on every dips, right, you're gonna get a bad average. Okay, best thing to do is just hold like for at least 3 to 6 months, and you're gonna see like massive gains, especially on alt. Okay, you take a look at our February picks, right here. Okay, they're all red on the daily, right? But take a look at some of these alt when we picked them, like CHAR, right? We picked CHAR right there, like around like 100 sats. So if you've been holding CHR since February, you're still up 500, over like 5x on your BTC still. And it is still at, it is still consolidating right here. If you've been holding, ASD, right there, right, just about right here, 380, 400 sats, you're still up 50% after it pumped all the way up to like target 2, like a nearly 1400 sats. Drop 50% right now, and volume is decreasing right here. So all these suckers are pretty bullish, man. Take a look at DATA. We got in right here just about like 150, right? It is still like above like 300 sats, and it pumped all the way up to like nearly 550. Okay, you take a look at FET. We got in right here, right, 200 sats, 250 sats, and we're still above like 900, almost 1000 sats. That's nearly over 5x, right? You take a look at Go BTC. We got in at 24 sats, right? 24, 25 sats, right? And first target was 105. We're still up like nearly over 4x, right? 3 to 4x, right? Depending where you enter, right? Enter that, right? Or XT, we got in, okay? It is still consolidating, 650, 750. Okay, we're still above like, 1300 sats, right? So if you hold, you're gonna get the gains. But if you want to panic on every dump, right, you're most likely going to be losing some sats. best thing to do if you're holding any alt spot, just leave it. Don't even look at it. 20% dump. If you got some sats, you buy the dip. Okay, of course, not financial advice, right? If you don't have any sats, you just let it ride. Okay, it's gonna pump right back up. Okay, we've been through these type of cycles so many times, guys, so many times. So for instance, right here on OXT, if you panic and sold right there, you're not gonna get the 10x move. You're gonna miss it, right? Right there, it capitulated nearly 20%, right? But 3 weeks later, it gives you a nice 4x pump right there. Okay, right there, 5x pump. So you know it is not time to be panicking, and OXT is ready to blast off anyway. Right there, it's ready to blast off just like Digibyte. Okay. Hey, what's up, Franco? Thanks a lot for tuning in. XRP USDT. XRP USDT. So XRP, it is still a hold, right? We just bounced off the 2-day 21 EMA with a low volume. We're gonna at least gonna retest like the 150 to 180 range up to basically $2. So let's see what type of correction we're gonna get, right? As I said, if you watch my XRP macro view, I said it clearly on a 3 weeks basis, right? if we retest basically $2, expect a pullback. Okay, expect a pullback. So go ahead and watch my XRP macro view. I said if we get there before the 50-day cycle close, expect a pullback. Okay, it is not going to be anything crazy, but it is just going to be a normal pullback. Upside target still $4.50. So XRP, it is still a good buy. Okay, it is still a good hold. Wife just left me and took the kids. Yeah, after BTC dumps on you, yeah, they're gonna go. Yeah, I'm right here, guys. I'm right here. Yeah, it is a bloody Monday. I mean, it is Saturday. I mean, these suckers dump like so hard you forgot which day it is right now. I forgot it is Saturday, man. Can't find these candles, man. Have to look under the table to find these candles. But I think, like, guys, once again, the dump right here, it is a good news, you know, for the market. We need a pullback, and you know, for the next like a 10 to 20x moves, because if we keep pumping like every single day, we're gonna run out of 10x. Okay, it is gonna be hard to find like a 10x bag. Okay, but right now, after market pulls back, like, you know, if we see a pullback, you know, more than 25-30% move, you know, you're definitely gonna be able to find another 10x, right? So yeah, holding XRP till $10, absolutely. I mean, it all depends also, you know how heavy your bag is. Okay, if you got a heavy bag, You might not even need to wait till $10. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. Yeah, expect a V-shape, from Ethereum Classic. So Ether is still looking good, still above 2,000. So Ether is not doing bad at all, guys. Still above 2,000. Oh. So ICX basically retested the green box right here. So nothing crazy regarding ICX BTC. That's a steal. ICX down to $2. It is a steal. Okay. VET. I mean, it is too soon to talk about a. Let's go back to VET. VET, it is still above 20 cents. Guys, remember, VET almost hit like 30 cents. We said huddle VET when VET was like 2.5 cents right here. So if you've been holding VET like since like we were at right here, right? Actually right there, okay? Last week of January, okay? First week of February. If you've been holding VET for at least like the last 60 days, right? You're up massively, okay? You're up massively on your VET. Right there. Okay? If you've been holding VET since like the first week of February, you're still up like 600% up. Alright? And we pumped nearly 10x. So VET, it is still a hold, nothing crazy right now. So I wouldn't be worried too much on VET. The macro scale is pretty bullish. We still got another resistance up to 40 cents. And after that, 70 cents. Okay, 65 to 70 cents. If you notice well, we've been respecting these fib levels, right? Let's take a look at it on the weekly. That's 0.618 extension right there. Was at 5 cents, right? We got 80% extension at 8 cents, right? We got 0.888 extension right there at 10 cents, right? Now we got the 1.27 extension, okay? Next extension going to be 1.41, right? At 40 cents. And then we're going to get to like nearly 70 cents after that. So VET still got another potential 3x, 3.5x, right? So right now it is just about 20 cents. So we got nearly another 250% gains, all right, from VET. Right here, right? So VET, it is still a good hold. Great, nice. You got your vet at 3 cents. That's good. Just huddle, man. Don't try to leverage it. If you're leveraging, don't leverage more than 5-10% of your vet, right? So SXP, let's take a look at SXP BTC. So SXP BTC is still looking pretty good, nothing crazy. SXP we got in right here, nearly like 3,000 sats, so it is still around like 7,000 sats. So really nothing crazy about SXP. Still a good hold. So hey guys, make sure to hit the likes and subscribe, right? If you are new to my content, make sure to do that. Don't forget to hit the likes and subscribe if you find the content useful, right? Yeah. Alright guys, I'm just gonna call it a day. It is almost like 2 hours of live streaming. Just gonna go ahead and take a break. If market keep on dropping, I'm gonna go live again, right? But if nothing, if things like keep on moving sideways, we just wait till tomorrow morning, we go for another live, right? All right, Ryan, we're gonna go for another live later on, and we're gonna take a look at all those alt, right? ADA, XLM. Just hit the like, subscribe, so you can get all the all these updates, right? Hit the notification, join the public Telegram group and the Discord group. Also, both links in the description, right? All right, market is still bullish. It is only April. We got like nearly 8-9 months to go till January 2022. So we're gonna have to deal with this type of a 20%, 30% dump and just buy the dip. Okay, we're gonna go to the moon before end of the month, right? All right guys, thanks a lot for watching.